Welcome back, ladies and gents, boys and girls. My name's Tom. Today we are making the Paloma Cocktail. The Paloma, a classic tequila cocktail, sometimes gets forgotten about and has grapefruit soda. It's the only cocktail that I know that has grapefruit soda as the classic recipe. But I'm going to show you an easy workaround that you can use for a very, very, very delicious Paloma cocktail. Let's get into it. Now, for your Paloma, the key ingredient is tequila. I like to use a gold tequila. I think it gives more depth, a bit more flavor. And I'm using Jose Cuervo for this one. You can use any tequila that you've got available though, and it's gonna be a large measure. A large 50 ml or 2 ounce measure. Lime juice, we're putting in a shot, that's 30 mils. And then to balance out the sweetness, some agave syrup, 15 mils. Now here's our little workaround that we're gonna do. Instead of using grapefruit soda, which you can use instead, I'm just gonna get some pink grapefruit juice, and that's gonna be 30 mils, 1 shot. And then we're gonna top the drink with soda. And then another little top tip is to put a pinch of salt inside the drink. Right, let's give this a shake. A bit more ice in there. We're gonna top with soda just to give those fizzy bubbler on top. Garnish, you can use a nice slice of grapefruit on top, works super well. I'm just gonna use a wheel of lime, that's also just as good. And just for a bit of color on top, I've got some freeze-dried raspberry powder, just to sprinkle on top. A little bit of color, adds a little bit of aroma to the cocktail, and there we have it. That is the greatest Paloma that you're ever gonna try. So there we have it, the greatest Paloma cocktail, an easy workaround if you haven't got grapefruit soda. Give it a shot for yourself. I think you're really, really gonna like this one. Some people are a little bit deterred by this drink because it can come out a little bit bitter. But if you get that balance of the lime and the agave syrup done well, you're gonna have a super duper deliciously tasting cocktail, especially for the summertime. Really simple to make, really easy to drink, and I know that you're gonna absolutely love it. So try it out, let me know how your Palomas come out, and if you have any questions about this drink, or if you wanna see any other cocktails made on this channel, leave me a comment in the comments box below, and while you're down there, hit subscribe, like this video, and before I go, I do want to say a huge thank you to these legends who support me over on my Patreon channel. If you want to find out more about that, there is a link in the description. But thank you very much for watching. Until next time, yeah.